speaking of your cousins with Kajol, you've acted in films with her. Was there competition ever between the two of you?
I think competition there never is when you are actually like, how to explain to you? When we do films, I think we are competing with ourselves. Because today, if you see a film of mine, you would always compare me to my last film.
Correct.
You know, you will never compare me to a film that somebody else has done. So, competition is always with your own craft because you always want to better it. You don't want to ever come to a point where the audience says, yeah, she's not doing a good job today. You know, in the earlier films, she was better. I would die if I would ever have to hear this. You know, so I have to keep bettering my craft. I have to keep reinventing myself with each decade, with each year. I have to know what the audiences want. I want to know what the audiences feel. So that's very important for me. So I'm never competing with somebody else because an other actor's journey is very different from mine. You know, the choice of films or the choice of things that another actor does is entirely what that other actor is doing. What I choose to do with my career is completely different. So there's never ever a competition as such amongst actors. You know, this is something that is a very outside view that people feel that, you know, two people are comparing, but
That's because kuch kuch hota hai fed that, no?
yeah, but it's but in reality it's never like that. Like
Yeah,
when we do a film also together where there is an ensemble cast, I think the process of filmmaking is such that you're always trying to do the best job in that particular scene. Like in every shot also, to be, if I have to micro see it, like, you know, when you're performing a scene and you're doing that one shot, a director has to make sure that everybody is good in that one shot. You know, that everybody has to deliver what they are supposed to deliver in that particular shot. And that becomes a scene, you know. Numerous shots make a scene, you know, and everybody has to deliver their best. No director will want, okay, you do better and you do less. It's never like that. Everybody has to perform to their optimum, you know. So even in an ensemble film, everybody is doing their best. Now, when it reaches an audience, then an audience decide, okay, I like this one better, I like this one less. Or I like this one more, I like this one less. So the competition is in their heads. But when we do a film, we are doing our best. We are trying to do our best. There is never a feeling that, acha, I want to do better than that. No. We have to, like, if I'm playing a character, Devika has to be Devika in that particular shot. I can't be Rani in that shot. You know, my co-actor has to be my husband who's playing my husband in that. He has to do his optimum as the husband. You know, he can't fail. Because if he fails, my shot fails. That scene fails. You know, and eventually it'll affect the film. So we all have to put in our best.
And you acted in so many of these ensemble films, right?
Yes,
Where there
that is why. Because
multi-
because for me, whether it's an ensemble or it's a film that's only like riding on my shoulders, I'm following the story. I'm following my character. I'm doing the best that I can do for my character.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.